How is sinking fund different from the concept of creating a DRR? Anybody? Why do we come up with this new method of sinking fund? Any idea, anyone? You can guess also. Okay, so let me respond. See, like I said, the rules, according to the rules, we said that 10% of from surplus will be transferred to DRR, whereby you are creating a reserve. And on the other hand, 15% will be invested. So see, obviously there is a limitation in the sense that they're saying that, you have to do it 10% or 15% is the compulsion. But having 10% or 15% will not ensure you that when you have to redeem the debentures at the end of maybe 5 years or so, you will have that much amount that you want to redeem. So in order to ensure that you have the exact amount that you want to redeem, we come up with this concept of sinking fund. So as the word suggests, it's a fund. Obviously, it is going to be a fund and it is pretty similar to what we have been already doing. Entries will be almost similar, but we'll understand how it is different in terms of concept. Like for example, if you remember, we used to do the entry of when we were transferring surplus to DRR. What was the entry, anyone? Transferring surplus to DRR. Anyone will tell me what is the entry?
Surplus of statement
Surplus.
of profit and loss to DRR, ma'am.
Right. But here what we are doing, we are creating a sinking fund. Hence, we are again doing the same thing. From the surplus, we are creating a sinking fund. So surplus is reducing, so surplus is debited, and therefore sinking fund. That's one thing that is going to happen. But now here comes the question that how much? What is going to be the amount is what is important. So you will notice in the question, we do have sinking fund tables, etc., whereby, they give kind of a line you would notice in the question, which will say that if you invest ₹1 at this much interest, you will be getting this much. So which automatically means that ₹1 will give this much, but then if you, it's a unitary system. So if you need 5 lakh, that 5 lakh into that annuity factor, or we call it super sinking fund factor, will give you that much amount that you need to invest. Once we do the questions, we'll talk about that. So it is one point of difference is there we knew that 10% of the surplus we were taking, 15% we were investing. Here the calculation is going to be different. There is no 10%, there is no 15%. There is going to be, they're going to tell you that out if you invest ₹1, then this much is what you will get. So to get 5 lakh, how much are you going to invest? It's like that. It's like a unitary method. Like I said, you are going to transfer from the surplus. And now the second question, if you remember what we did last time, this entry of transferring surplus to DRR, or so to say transferring surplus to sinking fund, will be passed when? When will you pass this entry? Anyone? Yes, anyone? Okay. See, the concept is like surplus से बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, surplus में charge है बहुत सारा to, depreciation, etc., which gives the logic to remember this, that it will be done on the last day, at the end of, what you call, we usually call it 31st March or so on. So that is when you are going to do that. Now the other point here is, just like in the last case, what we used to do is we used to invest. So we used to say debenture redemption fund investment, or DRI or DRFI, to bank. Similarly, what we are doing is we are doing an investment here, which is also known as sinking fund investment, or SFI. So the entry is again going to be similar. The entry is sinking fund investment. Bank. Now, this entry should be first or this entry should be first? Anyone? Which entry will be first? This one or second one? We discussed, we discussed that 1st April or maybe 30th April, that's when you are actually making an investment. So this entry goes up. This one. Or this goes down. That is what you have to notice. Okay. Now let's talk about These are the two basic entries. Now the second thing is interest. You are going to get certain interest on sinking fund investment. So when you are going to get certain interest on investment, which means obviously your bank is going to be debited. Let me pass on that entry also. Bank to have interest on sinking fund. Now, please note all of you, there are actually two kinds of sinking fund. One is cumulative sinking fund and the other one is non-cumulative sinking fund. Now, what is the difference? Anybody? Any idea what is the difference between cumulative and non-cumulative sinking fund? Okay. As the word suggests, cumulative means, like for example, पहले साल आपने 1 लाख invest किया. Then on this 1 lakh, let's say you're getting a 10% interest. Now this 10% interest together with the 1 lakh of the first year, and obviously second year ka bhi, let's say there is 1 lakh. So 2 lakh plus interest you are going to invest. So you are accumulating. जो भी amount आपके पास है plus interest you are investing. While when I'm talking about non-cumulative investment, I am not going to accumulate in terms of the interest that I am going to get. I am not going to invest that. Okay, so let's see that, which means that this interest will be going to, where will it go? Any idea? Interest on sinking fund investment. Where will it go? It will go to the sinking fund account, क्योंकि उस sinking fund account में से मुझे investment करनी है. I'll show you how it is to be done in terms of questions also, but these are the basic entries. So this will actually ultimately lead to repetition. This will keep on happening every year. That is, from surplus you are going to transfer certain amount to sinking fund. From bank you are going to invest certain amount to sinking fund investment. Every year you might be earning certain interest, which is this bank to interest, and this interest, if it is cumulative, you're going to invest again. That is, you're going to put it to the sinking fund and then again pass the entry of sinking fund investment to bank. Now, having said that, at the end, obviously in the year when you are going to redeem, now the question is, in the year in which you are going to redeem, are you going to invest, in the sense this entry of sinking fund investment to bank, this one, are you going to pass this entry in the last year? Anybody, yes or no? Tell me. Are you going to pass this entry sinking fund investment to bank? Rajyoti, any answer? What happened? Meenakshi, any answer, beta?
No, ma'am, last year नहीं.
Last year नहीं करेंगे, because last year तो मुझे पैसा चाहिए, तो मैं कहाँ अपना पैसा फंसाऊंगी, मुझे तो पेमेंट करनी है. So ठीक है, तो last year I am not investing any amount, but yes, I am getting the interest, I am transferring the surplus, and so on. The same entries I am passing on. Okay. Now, what will happen last year is I will realize my investment, which means I will get certain amount in my bank account. So what I'm doing is bank sinking fund investment. This is the money that I will get. Okay. Now say there is a possibility there might be a profit, there might be a loss. When I am selling it off, I might have a profit, I might have a loss. Now I have to see what will happen in case there is a profit, what will happen in case there is a loss. Let's say there is a profit. In case of profit, what will happen? The entry will be sinking fund investment to fund. On the other hand, opposite in case of loss, sinking fund to sinking fund investment. Is this clear? This is by the amount of profit and this is by the amount of loss. Any questions till now? Please ask. Okay. Now finally, the amount that is due to the debenture holder, you're going to put that. So debenture to debenture holder. If there is a premium, you're going to do that also. And then finally, you're going to make the payment, that is debenture holder. Now there is is an important point. If you remember, we did it at the time of DRR also. Similarly, here also, when we are going to close the accounts, that is sinking fund investment account and sinking fund account, whatever will be the balance. Now, there will be certain balance in sinking fund account. That will go, redemption has been over. That will go to the general reserve account, which we used to do in DRR also. So sinking fund to general reserve. Is this clear? Do we have any questions? Because then we are going to move to question. Yeah. Any confusion?
वो difference
कौन सा वाला राजज्योति? फिर से बोलो बेटा. Rajjyoti, please repeat. I didn't hear you properly.
डिफरेंस ये पहले जो डीआरआर ये सब जो कराई थी अब थोड़ा वापस एक बार पॉइंट आउट कर दीजिए ना.
हाँ, मतलब बेसिक फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो मैंने बताया था कि रीजन क्या है, राइट? So the point is that what we used to do in DRR was there were rules in the sense that 10% you have to transfer or surplus to DRR and then you have to invest 15%. Now ensuring that 10% and 15% will maybe not make sure that by the end when you have to redeem the debentures, you will have the entire amount that you have to pay for redemption. But what is happening in sinking fund, actually we'll do a question also, then you will understand how the amount is, calculated. What is happening here is there is no as such, ruling that 10% or 15% or so on. There is a calculation which we do. In the question, you'll be given that, 1 rupee is invested at 5%, then you will get this much money. So which means in order to get this much money, let's say 5 lakh, you will have to pass or do the unitary system and you can calculate. I'll show you that with the help of a question. Rajjyoti, is it clear? I think his network is weak. Is he there? Yeah, Rajjyoti, is it clear? I have just repeated it. Okay, so we will be doing a question now, all of you. I would request you first, please take 5 minutes to read the question properly. And this question is illustration 4. Please start reading. When all of you have read, just raise your hands. I'm waiting, okay? बच्चे बहुत कम होते हैं भाई. रिकॉर्डिंग मुझे लगता है मुझे शेयर नहीं करनी चाहिए. गायब है बच्चे हैं. लिस्ट ये जो अटेंडेंस में होते हैं ना, इन्हीं को मैं लिस्टेड में बना देती हूँ अपने, और लिस्टेड लोगों को ही वीडियो दिखेगा. फिर 10 बच्चे दिख रहे हैं मुझे आज क्लास में. Yes, when you have read the question, please let me know. Please let me know if you have read the question, yes or no. क्या हो गया, इतना छोटा क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में 10 घंटे लगेंगे क्या? क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा गया अभी तक? Illustration 4. Bhavna has read. What about others? Shrey, Karthik, Minakshi, Sandhya, Ashutosh, Shreya, Mahima and Lokesh. Manali. What about you? Okay, so we are starting. So I'm going to repeat for that for you. A company issued 10,000 8% debentures of 100 each at par on 1st April 2016. So on 1st April 2016, the debentures were issued. Okay, redeemable on 31st March 2020. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 5 years, you are redeeming it at par. The company decided to invest money outside business to provide funds for redemption. So they're going to invest somewhere, and the outside investments were made at 5% per annum on the last day of each year. So every last day of each year, you are investing at 5% per annum. On 31st March, the company sold all investments for 7,25,000. Okay, so he's saying sold all investments for 7,25,000. Can you tell me from here about this sale of all investment? Which entry is it from here? ये 7,25,000 वाली कौन सी entry है? बताओ, anyone? I want to know which entry is this 7 lakh. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Sinking fund account debit to sinking fund investment.
Yes, yes, it is this one. Minakshi, bank to sinking fund investment 7,25,000. ठीक है? Okay. And redeem the 8% debenture. The sinking fund value. Now let's see. I was telling you about the calculation. The sinking fund value of ₹1 at 5% interest for 4 years is ₹1 को 5% 4 years के लिए, एक्चुअली 16 में तो आपने खरीदा ही है, सो टेक्निकली दैट वे दे आर सेइंग आपका वैल्यू कितना आता है 0.23012 और मुझे कितना रिडीम करना है 10 लाख. सो सिंस आई हैव टू रिडीम 10 lakh, इट्स हियर and it's saying ₹1 is equal to 0.23012. So this is the amount. This is the amount that you have to appropriate every year. That is, you have to take it out from the surplus. So the amount becomes 230,120. Is this clear? This is the calculation I was talking about. Any question, anyone? Clear hai? Clear hai, Minakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now see what they're asking. They're asking you to prepare for all the 4 years, 8% debentures, sinking fund and sinking fund investment. I would request you to do all of them together. So let me just, I think it will be better if I do it on Excel. तीनों accounts हम simultaneously बनाएंगे. क्यों बनाएंगे? क्योंकि otherwise, oh sorry, not this sheet. There will be confusion and you might miss certain accounts. Okay, so let me start. So we're going to start. Okay, here it is. So they have asked me to make 8% debenture. So let me just make 8% debenture here. 8%. And they have asked you to make sinking fund account. So let's make sinking fund account here. And they have asked you to make sinking fund investment account. Okay, let's start. So please note, like I said, in this chapter, dates and all are very important. Year and dates are very important. If you make it on a wrong date, then there will be a problem. So the first thing was you have issued debentures, that is 10 lakh debentures. 10,000 debentures at 100 each. What will be the entry? पहले तो मुझे issue of debentures की entry कौन बता रहा है? Anyone? What is the entry for issue of debentures?
Bank account debit debenture application and allot.
Yeah, so because we are making debenture account, तो हम उसमें सीधा direct debenture ही कर देंगे. And please note, क्या करेंगे हम? इसको थोड़ा specific कर देते हैं. Date है आपके, particulars है. amount है, and let's have all three here also. Okay, so let me just do it like this. All right, let's start now. Please note, like I said, date is important. So he says, कब issue किया? 1st April 2016. So ये है मेरा 2016, and this was issued on 1st April. So 1st April, like she said, bank to debenture. What will be the amount, Meenakshi? Issue का amount?
10 lakh.
Yeah. So 10,000 तो है ही into 100, right? So it is 10 lakh. Is it clear? Okay. So पहला तो आपने उसको सबसे पहले issue किया. अब देखो, सब ध्यान रखो एक चीज का, वो ये कि इस अकाउंट में तो कोई दिक्कत है ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ और तो करना नहीं है, मुझे as it is इसको brought down और carried down करना है. So let me just finish off this account. Since this is 1st April 2016, so it will wind up on 2017, that is 31st March. And this is to balance carried down. So I hope there is no problem. ये account आपका बन सकता है, इसमें कोई issue नहीं होगा. Can you make this and please send it in the chat box? Be very careful, क्योंकि ये बहुत simple है, इसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है आपको. सीधा at the end, that is 2020 में एक एंट्री पास करनी है, डिबेंचर टू डिबेंचर होल्डर 10 लाख. अदरवाइज तो टू ब्रॉट डाउन टू बाय कैरीड डाउन यही करना है, राइट? Okay, I am waiting. I am giving you 5 minutes to complete the debenture account and please send it in the chat box. Then we'll start with the sinking fund. That's the tricky part. मैं तब तक उसकी settings कर रही हूँ. Please send the debenture account in the chat box. Please send the debenture account in the chat box, all of you. बहुत ही simple काम दिया है. Just let me know when you're done. I'll check your chat box. Someone has sent, I think. Let me check. Lokesh. Okay. So Lokesh sent. Okay, bad. इसको मैं उल्टा कर दूँ. To adventure. ठीक है. राइट, ओके फाइन, ठीक है, तो इसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई एम श्योर मीनाक्षी हैज आल्सो सेंट. So this was easy. Now let's complicate things a little bit. Now I'm going to start sharing my screen again. Okay, so let's see. So what is happening now? I know the amount that you're transferring to the surplus from the surplus to the sinking fund account. Therefore, on 2017 31st March, you're going to transfer this amount, and this amount is by surplus. We have just calculated 230120. Please note here it is on 31st March. So since this is on 31st March and the carry down will also be on 31st March, therefore this is what you have this year. Okay. मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मैंने आपको नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स के लिए भी यही बोला था, अगर साथ में बनाओगे बैलेंस शीट के सही रहेगा. सिमिलरली आई एम गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट सिंकिंग फंड और इन्वेस्टमेंट साइमल्टेनियसली बनाओगे तो सही रहेगा, नहीं तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा और आप कंफ्यूज होगे. अब कैसे होगा? हमने बोला कि हमें ये अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करना है. वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट दिस अमाउंट व्हिच मींस सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट टू बैंक. नाउ हियर आई एम मेकिंग द इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट इज ऑन 2017 31st March. I mean, that is bank. How much is it? 230120. Is this clear? Any question? Any doubts? Take care. So this is 2017 and in March 31st. That is brought down. That means now if you remember, all of you, when we just did the entries, we said we will be getting certain interest on this, and this interest we will be transferring to the sinking fund account. Since we will be transferring, if you remember, what was the entry that we did? The entry that we did was bank to interest on sinking fund investment, right? We said bank to interest on sinking fund investment. And then we said bank to interest on sinking fund investment, and then we said interest to sinking fund investment to sinking fund. Now this sinking fund, the money that I am getting, let me show you the entry actually. Where is the entry? This was it. If you see this, there can be a combined entry. All of you, please have a look here. Bank to interest on sinking fund investment, and then interest.
What is
Okay. I shared that only. Okay, just hold on. I'll share my entire screen. Yeah, I said here bank to interest on sinking fund investment, and then I said interest on sinking fund to sinking fund. Actually, this can be a combined entry, which can be bank to sinking fund. Can you see that? Bank to sinking fund. So therefore, now what I am doing here is, मेरा यहाँ तक हो गया था, अब मुझे नेक्स्ट ईयर में आना है. मैं यहाँ पे बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन लाती हूँ. पहले तो I bring this one 23012, and then there is by bank. Please note by bank. Now I can show you the calculation here separately. I think it was 5% if I'm not wrong. Let me check. You are getting the company decided to the outside investor made at 5%. Yes, it is 5%. So 230120 to 5%. This is the interest. So 11,506. Is this clear? I want to know. Is this clear, all of you? Please raise your hands if it is clear. Great. All right. Now, please note. अब आप ये ध्यान रखना, everyone. ये जो इंटरेस्ट का अमाउंट आ रहा है, इसकी एंट्री मुझे सिर्फ यहाँ करनी है, ठीक है, कहीं नहीं करनी. अब मुझे क्या करना है? ये जो मेरे पास इंटरेस्ट आया है, I have got this much interest, and this interest since ये था मेरा 2017 था यहाँ पे, ठीक है. अभी भी 2017 ही चल रहा है टेक्निकली. 1 अप्रैल को 2017 को ये यहाँ आया, तो मैं यहाँ पे 1 अप्रैल लिख सकती हूँ, ब्रॉट डाउन है जब, एंड देन मेरे पास यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट आ गया, ठीक है. अब भाई मेरे पास इंटरेस्ट तो आ गया, लेकिन 2018 में अगेन मुझे 31 मार्च को एक एंट्री करनी है. कौन सी एंट्री करनी है? सरप्लस से जो ट्रांसफर करना है, सरप्लस से ट्रांसफर करना है. सरप्लस का कैलकुलेशन हमने किया हुआ है भाई, कितना ट्रांसफर करना है, हमें इतना ट्रांसफर करना है 230120. Now I said the assumption is, let me tell you that it is cumulative sinking fund. अगर नहीं दिया है question में कुछ भी, ठीक है, तो ये मेरा cumulative amount कितना हुआ actually, मेरा अब total amount जो मैं actually invest करूंगी वो होगा, इन सबको मैं add कर देती हूँ यहाँ. This comes out to be this much, 471,746. So therefore I write it here, 471,746. And then again, this is 31st. This is actually 2018 here. I just hope you keep on writing the question with me, because otherwise, you know, देख के मजा नहीं आता और ना कुछ सीखते हो आप accounts में. Okay, so this comes out to be the balance carried down. And this much. Any question? Any question, anyone? Okay. Now I know this has happened this year. Now I am again going into the next year, that is 2018, and I'm again going on 31st March. Now please note all of you, जो amount है ये यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा. क्यों? मैं invest कितना कर रही हूँ? मैं invest, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला आपको side by side ये account बनाना है, because I will get the figure from here that I have to put here. This is the money that I am investing, but sorry, to bank, not by bank, but to bank. Okay, so 2018, and this is 31st March, and the amount is this much, right? This comes out to be, now see, अब मैं यहाँ क्या डालूं? Anyone, any idea यहाँ क्या डालूं? बताओ जी, I'm just waiting. Anyone? देखो यहाँ से ऑब्वियस है, यहाँ से तुम्हें दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ से जो अमाउंट है, पहले तो बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन करूंगी मैं. ये है मेरा बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन, कितना था? 230,120. अब जो बच गया वो अमाउंट क्या है? मैं यहाँ से दिखा सकती हूँ आपको. दिस माइनस दिस इज एक्चुअली द अमाउंट दैट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग. Any question? It's a little complicated, all of you. If you have any doubts, please ask. Any question? ठीक है? Okay. So this is what I have as on 2018. Now I'm obviously going to go to the next year. Now here, I mean, the total is going to be the same. It's going to be this one only. Let me take it here. Take it here. And you have the balance carried down here. Actually, यहाँ brought down है और यहाँ carried down होना चाहिए technically. This is brought down. I have this entire amount, that is 471,746. And this is what you're going to copy here. Right? Now we are in 2000. So this was actually 18. So then we're going to go to the 1st of April in 18, somewhere here. 1st of April. Now again, I have brought down certain amount or money. This is this much, 47. Now I again have to calculate the interest. Now can anybody tell me how much the interest is going to be? I'm waiting. Yes, please tell me the interest, which means the entry. Bank की entry मुझे चाहिए यहाँ पे. Anyone? What is the interest? बताइए. I want to know the amount of interest. Anyone? Please tell me. Till that time, I'll just correct a few things. Anji, bolo. Calculate new interest. How much is the interest that you'll get? No answers? Anyone? Let me answer. So this is the entire amount that you have. So therefore, you're going to calculate it on this much. That is this into 5. percent comes out to be this one, 23587. I think someone has written also in the chat box. Yeah, right, Lokesh. Thank you so much. So here is this amount 23587. Please don't use points. I mean round off कर देंगे. 5 से कम है तो कम में और ज्यादा है तो ज्यादा में, ठीक है? So ये हो गया आपका. अब ये तो मेरे पास इंटरेस्ट आ गया. अब इस साल मुझे अगेन सरप्लस से निकालना है सेम. So this is surplus again 31st March का है ये. And this comes out to be again 230120, right? Let me just make certain borders here. So we will total it up. Okay, so let's total it up, the three figures. And this comes out to be this much, 725453. Please note, ये था आपका 2018 March. So यहाँ पे again मैं 31st March, ये 31st March यहाँ था तो यहाँ मेरा 2019 शुरू हो गया है. मैंने इसको 18 में किया नहीं, शायद 19 किया नहीं. हाँ, यहाँ पे 19 आ जाएगा. ये 31st March. This is the amount that I have here, that is balance carried down this much. Okay, now sorry, I have taken the wrong figure from here. I have to take this one, paste, and अरे टोटल हो रहा है. चलो मैं लिख लेती हूँ वहां से कॉपी हो रहा है. This is 72545. Now I go here. यहाँ मेरा टोटल हो चुका था. I go next. Just a minute. Here. So this is 471746. That means this is the brought down. 71746. Now again, I know that the total is this much. That is 7255453. Therefore, the money that I have invested this year is going to be this minus this, which comes out to be this much. Is it clear? Okay. So this is 725. Any confusion, please ask. Let me go back to the class and see. Anything you want to ask? Can I go on? Okay. Now, since this is what we have, now we have been told that last year में आपने sell की investment और आपके पास कितना आया? तो I know bank. I have got, I think 7,25,000 was given in the question. Yes, you have sold it for 7,25,000. Now, since you sold it for 7,25,000, but I see the brought down here was, this comes out to be the difference, obviously, that is 72545. Right. So this 453, what is this? This is the profit or loss that you have, which will go to the sinking fund account. Beta itne ka, actually itne ka tha. So this is actually a profit or loss. Anyone? Is this a profit or loss? Bolo.
Loss, ma'am.
Loss, yes. तो ये गया मेरा sinking fund में. ये 453 यहाँ गया मेरा sinking fund में. मुझे यहाँ से calculations में हटा रही हूँ. Just hope it will not be affected. Yeah, ठीक है. So this is what I have. Now the last year, what I did is, मेरे पास यहाँ इतना balance है, मुझे पता है, ठीक है, मेरे पास ये balance आया. It is this much, 725,453. I know ये sinking fund में आ रहा है, means two sinking fund investment. Two sinking fund investment is 453. But now here the question is that what is happening? What I told you in the last year was that भाई last year में surplus वाली entry तो होगी, मुझे invest नहीं करना है, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, लेकिन last year मेरी सरप्लस वाली एंट्री होगी, राइट? सो दैट वाज 230120. लास्ट ईयर इंटरेस्ट भी मिला होगा, which is how much we will calculate. Anyone, can you tell me? Calculate the interest. This 36273. So 36273. Now therefore this is the total, and out of this I know this is the loss. Therefore whatever is the balance, वो कहाँ जाएगा? Anybody last year में? ये जो amount आएगा, I'll tell you the amount. You have to tell me कि वो जाएगा कहाँ? Minus this. Where will this go? 991393. Anybody? बोलो जी. Where will this go? Anyone? What did we say? Redemption हो गई. Yes, right Bhavna. Thank you so much. Redemption हो गई. So entries to general reserve. Is this clear, everyone? So this is how we are going to do the entries. So this was example 4. I think I would ask you to maybe start illustration 5 right now. What you can do is entries, आपकी मर्जी, आप entries करना चाहते हो account. Account seems a little simpler, but whatever you feel like you can do that. So we have like 10-15 minutes. I think you can do it right now in the class. Please do, all of you, illustration 5 and send it in the chat box. I'll stop sharing now. Yes. Illustration 5, all of you, please start. Please start. In case of any doubt, you can ask me. I'm just waiting here. You can send me either the entries or you can send me the accounts. कितना हो गया मीनाक्षी? भावना कितना हो गया?
मैम अभी सेकंड।
ओके बेटा करो। आशुतोष कितना हुआ? Karthik, what about you?
Doing, ma'am.
Just a bit of a few points which might appear to you a little different here. Please note, like it is saying, just hold on, I'll tell you. Calculate the interest to the nearest of a rupee, and investments are made in multiples of 100. This you have to keep in mind, okay? So like for instance, if you have done the calculation, 10 lakh into the factor that is 0.317208, that comes out to be 317208. But multiples of 100 में अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है तो आप उसे 208 नहीं रख के 200 कर दोगे, ठीक है? That's one thing, that's one important thing. You can, I mean, if you want, you can skip the debenture account and maybe the other accounts, but make sure you're sending me the sinking fund and sinking fund investment account, because these are two most important accounts. Interest invested 5%. And this one's sold at 56. And before you send me, you can check and tell me that is there a profit or loss on sale of investment and how much is it? That will help us see if you're doing right.
Profit, ma'am.
क्या है profit, मीनाक्षी?
Yes, ma'am.
कितना amount बोलो?
5,700.
ठीक है मीनाक्षी, fine, good. Now you can wind up the sinking fund and sinking fund investment and send me in the chat box, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. You can also check what is the amount that you're transferring to the general reserve. You can check that also. Last 5 minutes. Any confusion, any doubt? If not, then please start sending. Bejo bhai, Lokesh, Ashutosh, Karthik, come on. आया नहीं अभी तक कुछ? Chaliye, anyway, you wind it up if you are not able to do it. If you want to take some time, in case you have a doubt, we'll take it in the next class tomorrow. Yeah, but I'll give you one more question for homework from redemption only. It will be illustration 9, please. All of you, please make sure you do illustration 9 in homework. Okay, and tomorrow, I think insurance policy we have to skip. You please go through the guidelines that I shared with you. So we can start tomorrow with just a minute, this we have done. We'll start with conversion then. Yeah, conversion into shares. So like we said, for redemption, one of the methods or can be conversion of debentures into shares. So we will start that tomorrow. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.